Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm most distinguished panel of judges. All the way from Lexington, Kentucky, I am drug contestant number 2, and my name is Adriana Fuentes. I want you all to please sit back and relax and come and enjoy a flight with me to touch the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'm proudly sponsored by Miss All-American Goddess Spy System, Miss Gay United States Spy System, Chelsea Pearl, Lauren Lamore, my dancers, Scott Gania, and a list of friends and family that believe I can become your next Miss Doc 2010. Ladies and gentlemen, please come and fly with me, because by the end of the night, I want to make you all mine. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I am drug contestant number 2, and my name is Adriana Fuentes. Muchas gracias.